Okay, I will.
All right, fresh off the plasma table. Not really fresh. I just take the rust off. I probably made this a year ago. It's my 4th of July grill grate. So we're gonna do a little bit bushcrafting today here and starting a fire. Here. There. Get your fire rod out. And then I think what we need is we need the fire rod. I'm gonna do the sparking. Oh, you gonna hold the camera?
I want the sparking.
You want to do the sparking? Okay, you do the sparking then.
Sparking's much more fun than any.
Okay, try to light the cotton ball then.
Can you cut it?
Cut what? The rock? No, you can't cut the rock.
Let me just unrope it. It's hard to do it.
It's so nice.
Oh, I'll try it.
No. You gotta unravel. Here, just unhook it.
I can't
Hold
unhook
it then.
I want to do the fire
Here,
starting.
there you go.
I want to do the fire starting.
Let me
Dad.
see. I'll scrape some stuff off first.
It's so magic. It's so magic.
There, now it's nice and clean.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so magic.
Well, you gotta get a lot closer to light this. Closer. There you go.
It's so magic. It's so magic.
Okay, I'll try it.
Here, just light it. When it burns, we put it down in there.
Daddy, can you cut it? Can you cut it?
What about the rock?
Can you cut it?
I can't cut the rock, no.
I can't. I usually do it sometimes. Okay, I didn't know how to do it. I'll try a couple more times. And then if I don't do it, my dad's gonna do it. Come on, fire rock. Why does camping need to be so hard?
I like this chili on.
Mm-hmm.
I like yours. Papa, I like yours.
Thank you.
Papa,
Yes.
Okay,
I like
Here,
yours.
then hold it.
I like yours, Mommy.
But it was a good try,
I
right?
like yours. Why?
There, that's how you do it. See that?
I like yours.
Put that in. Put this stuff on top. There. Put these little guys on top here. Oh, did it go out? Not yet.
We're gonna make s'mores after this. And fire starting. Going back to food. Nothing burning yet. Here, Dad.
It'll come. I see the fire right here. It's burning.
Here, Dad. Do you want to hold this?
What But I bring Sissy's hat.
Yeah, you're wearing Sissy's head, huh?
I'm just Timmy.
Fast forward, we get a little bit white here on the coals. Gotta oil that grit.
Everglades.
That's not Everglades.
No. Spicy kind.
No,
What is it then? It looks like Everglades.
it's not.
What is it then?
That's your mom's favorite seasoning.
No, like the other one, the green one.
That one,
Mm-hmm.
it's Everglades.
That's a lot. We need a lot.
Don't worry, half of it's gonna fall right off.
Yeah, when it gets cooked. Oh.
Right, look what I'm doing here.
Making it bigger.
No, we just put the oil on it so it doesn't stick as much.
Why, Papa?
So you can eat.